Let me present the EASYTWIST bike. Let's see how to assemble it. Here are the bike's components: frame, parent's handle in 2 parts, rail, handlebar, bell with mounting screw, seat with cover and safety belts, rear wheels, front wheel, hood, drawstring bag with straps, beverage holder, wrench, Phillips screwdriver, wheel and handlebar fixing screws and nuts. Start the assembly of the bike by connecting the frame to the rear wheels. Simply slide them on both sides until you hear a click. Now connect the front wheel to the fork in the front frame. Slide the plastic guides into the fork holes. Then secure the connection. Slide this fastening bolt in, put on the nut, and tighten with the wrench and the screwdriver. The same goes for the other side of the wheel. Now assemble the handlebars. Screw the bell on the right or left side of the handlebar using the mounting screw supplied with the bell. Now slide the handlebar onto the bike frame and secure. Put on the nut. Slide this screw in and tighten up with the screwdriver. It's time for the seat. Place it in the frame, forward facing, until you hear a click. Now the rail. Lower the handlebar. Slide the plastic tubes into the holes on both sides of the seat. To close the railing, combine both elements until they engage. If you want to open it, just press this button. Now mount the parent's handle. Press the metal button at the bottom of the handle and slide the upper part until you hear a click. Slide this element into the hole at the back of the frame by pressing the metal button until you hear a click. Now lower the lever and secure. Slide the bike hood into the holes in the back of the backrest until you hear a click and unfold it. Finally, let's assemble the accessories. Slide the beverage holder over the button on the parent's handle. The EASYTWIST is complete with a drawstring bag for essentials. You can attach it to the strap and put it on your back. By detaching the strap, you'll have a bag you can hang on the parent's handle. Well done, the bike's ready. The bike's cover can be removed and washed. To make it easier, lower the handlebar, unfasten the rail, and remove the hood and the parent's handle. Then unfasten this buckle. Take off the shoulder belt protectors. Pull the crotch belt out of the buckle and take off the protector. Pull the belt buckle through the hole in the seat cover. Unfasten the buckles on the back of the backrest. Take off the cover and pull the belt buckles out of the backrest. To put it back on, slide the belt buckles into the holes in the cover and then into the backrest. Put the cover on the backrest. Fasten the buckles at the bottom. Put on the strap protectors. Slide the crotch strap through the hole in the cover. Then put on the protector. Pull the belt through the belt buckle unfasten and we're ready. The EASYTWIST has many adjustment possibilities. The hood can be set in several positions, from folded to partly unfolded. Additionally, you can also adjust the angle of inclination. The height of the belts can easily be adjusted to the child's height. To change the height level, unfasten the buckles at the bottom of the backrest. Take the cover off the backrest. Slide out the belt buckles through the holes in the backrest and the cover. Put the buckles at the right level. Put the cover back on and fasten it. Done. The belts can be adjusted by pulling the buckles. To unfasten the belts, press the buckle here. To fasten them again, you just have to connect the belts by putting them into the buckle. The backrest of the bike can be set in the reclining or sitting positions. Press the buttons on both sides of the seat at the same time and move to the desired level. With the EASYTWIST, you can carry your child in the forward-facing or the rearward-facing position, as the bike has a 360-degree swivel seat. If you want your child to sit in the reclining, rearward-facing position, remember that the handlebar should be lowered. Rotate the seat with one button. The position should be changed without the child seated. You can unfold the footrest on the EASYTWIST in a single motion. This lever should then be disengaged so the pedals do not set the wheel in motion. If you want your child to ride on his or her own, fold the footrest and move the lever like this. The height of the parent's handle can be changed easily. Press the selected button, then raise and lower until you hear the locking sound. And what if your little boy or girl wants to pedal on his or her own? Connect the freewheel lock, fold the footrest, remove the hood, dismantle the rail, pull out the parent's handle and dismantle the belts. Done. The EASYTWIST can be easily transported. To do this, press these buttons and remove the seat. You can also unfasten the rear wheels. Just push in here and pull out. You can pack up the bike and have fun.